This is my yard now.
Yo, I'm a rider, provider, bring the heat, yeah, I will bring the fire. And my name keeps going worldwide, so my job is to satisfy. Bring the heat, yeah, I will bring the fire. And my name keeps going worldwide.
2-on-1 now. Kane and Sheamus going at. Not so fast.
You know what that music means?
Looks like we're about to see Dean Ambrose get some backup.
Wait a minute, Kane sending Sheamus out as a welcoming committee.
Wait a minute.
ابشر ودانفين واستلم مطلوبك وجه المداح كلهم وجه صوبك تستاهل بيوت قصيدة ترى في محفل اللي فعلهم ينشافي عيال الراح الجود والمقافي يحسنا في وسنا في سلافي راعي فعول ما حد يجعل ما قصر.
And what a
السمع يطوش من طرب ما هم غشوش من تراث السعودية. القصور يصن كفو العبوا ولا اهتفوا هو كل خوي من خلية قادح وقدح قدح.
And now Kane, and now the mugging on the way of Cena. This is bad news for the champion.
You're right about that. Kane came from one direction, and as John Cena was watching out for Kane, in comes Randy Orton from behind. And now they've both got John Cena down.
Cena and Kane. Cena trying to fight back somehow, but Kane and Orton.
Oh, wait a minute!
تجد
tension's clear. Now reality sets in for Owens and Jericho.
A gutsy move by Rollins, but not necessarily the smartest one, because Rollins is on the wrong end of 4 minutes.
Wait a minute.
واللي راح فيروس البداية أصلا برا راس عامل